Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to bypass passcode lock on any iPhone. Yes, this method is very easy and simple, and it will help you to remove passcode lock, Face ID, iPhone is disabled, and iPhone is unavailable for free. To get started, you need to launch your iTunes software and make sure that your PC is connected to the internet. Then you shall switch your phone into DFU mode and then connect it to the system so that we can get started. I will leave a link in the description on how you can put your phone into recovery mode or DFU mode, so make sure you check out the description for the link. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. Now let's get started. So the next thing we are going to do right now is we are going to import the firmware into the iTunes software. And to do this, you should hold the shift button on your PC keyboard and then press the restore iPhone on the iTunes software. And automatically the software would open your PC folder, and then you select the firmware that you have downloaded. And for you to download this firmware, you can go to www.ipsw.me to download the iPhone firmware, and that is the easiest way to download the firmware. So now you should wait for some few minutes and allow the iTunes software to reset your iPhone, and then you can now start using your iPhone just as if it were new.